Hi. Let's solve a puzzle. We have a river with a wooden raft in it. On the left side of a river, a family is standing. The family has a father, a mother, 2 children, and a bag. On their backs, their individual weights are written. The father's weight is 90 kilograms. The mother's weight is 80 kilograms. The weight of the boy is 60 kilograms. The weight of the girl is 40 kilograms. And the weight of the bag is 20 kilograms. The task is to shift all of them from one side of the river to the other side. But there are some rules to follow. Let's see the rules. The rules say that the raft cannot bear a load heavier than 100 kilograms. So, following this one rule, we have to solve this puzzle. Let's see how to do that. Before moving forward, if you want, then pause the video and try to solve the puzzle on your own using pen and paper. And later, play the video and cross-check your answer. Okay. Let's start. First, we will send the 2 children. Their combined weight is 100 kilograms, so we are not breaking the rule. Now, the girl will come back alone. Then, we will send the mother and the bag. Their combined weight is 100 kilograms. Now, the boy will come back alone. Both kids will go to the other side again. The girl will come back. Now, we will send the father alone. Since the weight of the father is 90 kilograms, the girl cannot go with him. The boy will come back. And now, finally, both the children will go to the other side. Bingo! We have solved the puzzle. Thanks for watching.